Once logged into Handshake, select Events from the home screen. From the event page, select the Career Fair filter to see career fairs only. For the purpose of this video, I will register for the Spring 2021 Virtual Nursing Career Fair. To register, click the blue Register button on the right side of the screen. You will see this confirmation message, and you'll also receive an email confirming your registration. Now that I'm registered, I can view and sign up for employer sessions. You can sign up for one-on-one sessions, which are 10 minutes in length, and you're the only student in a meeting with a representative from the company. Or I can sign up for group sessions, which are 30 minutes in length and have other students present. You'll see if you try to sign up for a session where you have something else scheduled, this confirm button will be grayed out and you will not be able to sign up for that session. Once you've signed up for all of your desired sessions, your schedule is visible here on the right side of your screen, and you can also view it by clicking your schedule. On the day of the fair, you'll be able to join sessions 10 minutes before they're set to start. This Join Video button will be blue, and that's how you'll know you're able to join the session. Once you're signed up for all of your desired sessions, you're set until the day of the fair when your sessions are set to start.